Hey guys, wanna go for a drive? Hey, that sounds fun. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. What up? I love you too. Sophie, are you coming? Hey, what up? Sophie, get in. You took all the good seats. Alright, guess I'll just sit in the back. Ready? Alright, let's go. Hey, Mommy, are you taking us to school? Oh, yes, sweethearts. Now, come on, kids. Oh, what's happening? Shh. Our brakes aren't working. Kids, are you alright? Yes, I'm alright. Mommy. It's okay. Now, come on. Wake up. Wake up. No! Huh? What? No! Wake up, my sweetheart. No. Oh, no. No! I hope you like this short film. That's why you always wear yours. The people who are making this film are Jacob, Skylar, Cody, Sophie, Margaret, and Evie. No people were harmed in the making of this film. That's why you always wear your seatbelts and always stay safe. That's showing I'm deeply sorry about all the people who their sons or daughters had died in a car accident. We just wanted to make sure that you guys stay safe. Make sure to care for others, and make sure to enforce seatbelts because they could save somebody's life. So, like, it saved ours, mine, and mine. And maybe it will save yours too.